How do we manage received referrals on DocX? Let's look at that step by step. So on home page, this middle tile shows that how many currently received referrals we have, which are to be acted upon. The number 2 is something to be acted upon. There might be many received referrals so far, but you would have closed or already acted upon, so those numbers will not be there. Number 1. Number 2, the same information or little more with visualization you will see on referral summary, where green bar shows that how many received referrals you have, but that count is overall count. This includes your to be acted upon referrals as well as already acted referrals. And same way here you see latest 3 referrals will be listed right there. There are multiple ways you can go to that referral details. One is obviously here, where you can simply tap on, let's say, this particular referral, and the referral details are available. Okay, if you tap on this particular tile, then also you will be sent to that particular received referrals. Here if you notice, from all criteria by default created and active are selected, and the reason is they are yet to be acted upon, so that's why only those are selected. But if you change your criterias, then filter will start working accordingly. Okay, so this is how it works. Within that, just consider that you have a list of such referrals and you want to filter based on, let's say, referral code or patient name or doctor name, then you will be able to do it. So just start typing on the bar above and that will happen. So let's try. So here we have 2 patients, Tamra and Maulik. So if I'll start typing, so only Tamra will come here. Okay, or if I'll start Maulik, only Maulik will be available here. Or for example, patient comes to you directly and he is saying that my referral code is, let's say, 93. So here if I 93, then already it will be 93. Okay, so this is one way of looking at your referrals. Same way, if you see here little button view all, if I tap on view all, the same screen will be available, but if you see, the filter criteria by default is applied differently. Here, because I clicked on view all is selected, but when I come to that screen from this particular tile, here created an active or filter criteria, selected filter criteria. Okay, now let's tap on. So here also I can show you a few things. First of all, let's tap on one of the referral. So here if you see, obvious one, direct quick link is available, which is consultation done. Or you can choose from more actions, where you can schedule an appointment, you can deny your referral, or you can again say consultation is done. The same thing you can do without even landing to referral details page, which is here. So if you see more actions here, I can tap on that and you will see the same actions available: schedule appointment, consultation done, and deny. So let's look at all these operations one by one. So just to start with, let me just so let's say deny is nothing but, let's say, for whatever circumstances at that moment I'm not available on that particular practice place to see the patient, let's say I'm out of town or any of that sort, then I can deny that particular stuff. It will say that doctor name is Parimal, which is sender doctor, and patient name is Tamra Saini, and when I will deny it, Dr. Parimal will be notified that your patient Tamra Saini, which was referred to me, has been denied because I am busy. And so Dr. Parimal can refer that patient to some other doctor as well. So this is how it helps. So let's try denying one. Denied. If you notice here, the denied referral is no more listed here because our filter criteria is this. If I go to denied will be visible here. Okay, if I'm adding that. So if I go click on all will be there, but if I simply say denied, only denied will be there. If I add denied with create, then both will be available here. So denied is mentioned in this red color tile and created is like this. Clear? Okay, so now let's say I want to schedule an appointment. So either I called patient or patient is calling me, anything is possible, but let's schedule an appointment. So appointment is, let's say I'm giving him an appointment after 2 days at 5:30 p.m. set and schedule. Appointment is scheduled. Okay, if I go here, appointment is scheduled, so it is active. So here if you see, appointment is this 4th of May and 5:30 p.m. If I tap on it, the same information will be visible here. If you notice here, the status tile is changed to active. Okay. Now here I can take more actions or consultation done. Again, more actions can be schedule an appointment. Basically, that will go into rescheduling. So if I tap on that, I will get the same in window where I can change this time and reschedule. Let's not do that for now. Or I can do consultation, which I can do from here also directly. So let's say just for our video, patient has already met me, and so I want to mark it as consultation done. Till that, I won't be able to put any notes in the chat box below between Dr. Parimal and me. So let's try that. Consultation is done. I'll mark as consulted. Once that is done, if you notice here, this particular thing now is open to exchange the note. So I can very well say that okay. So now we have gone through the entire life cycle of received referral from referred doctor perspective, which is me here. Okay. On each step of this life cycle, Dr. Parimal has been notified. What it means, when the appointment was taken, Dr. Parimal was also notified that appointment has been taken for Maulik Bhagat, and patient Maulik Bhagat also was given an SMS with appointment details. That is number one. Then we marked it as consultation done. So that information also, that was also notified to Dr. Parimal, so that he is aware that what is going on with his referred patient to me. And then now we are exchanging the notes. So as and when I am typing something, Dr. Parimal is notified. If Dr. Parimal is reverting back with some message, I will be notified. Okay. So at the moment, Dr. Parimal is not online, and so we won't be able to demonstrate chat right away. But that's what is going to happen. It's a normal thing. After all this, either me or Dr. Parimal both can close the referral. Closing the referral means it is fully concluded and no more notes can be exchanged on it. So let's do that. I will complete. If you notice here, the tile of referral status is changed to completed. And this is how you really manage your received referral. Enjoy connected practices with DocX.